Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm with my son here at El Mirage OHB in California, and we brought our new bike, at least new to us. This is a 2011 Yamaha TTR125LE. This is my son's bike. We just bought it about a month ago, or like 3 weeks ago. And as you can see, this thing is in pristine condition. I bought it from the original owner. It only has a couple of scrapes right here, but what they told me is like they didn't ride it, as much as you normally would on this type of machines. My son had a KLX 110 before this bike, and he wanted something a little bigger, a little taller. And he wanted something where he can learn how to use the clutch. And even though he jumped on my Yamaha XT250 a few times, he was not feeling comfortable because that bike is definitely taller than this one, and he wanted something more adequate to his height and weight. So he's about 5 feet 5 inches tall and about 150 pounds, give or take, with gear and everything. So this bike, I think, is perfect for him. It's a perfect bike for beginners. Some, even for expert riders, they can have a lot of fun on these things. The clutch is very forgiving, very easy to handle. These bikes, they're pretty light, extremely reliable. These bikes are bomb-proof. I was in between the TTR and the CRF 125, and I went with this one for my son because this one, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this one is 5 gears when the CRF 125s, that one is only 4 gears. So I think the CRF has a little bit more torque. It's pretty much the same bike, I guess. The engine is pretty similar, but the CRF is only 4 gears. 1 down, 3 up, and then this one is 1 down, 4 up. So it's a lot, better, or it feels better probably in the long run, at higher speeds. And this bike is pretty much stock, other than the graphics, and I think the graphics, and what else? No, that's it. Just the graphics. The graphics kit. That's the only thing that is different. Everything else is pretty much stock. As you can see, it's in really good shape. I'm gonna ask my son David to help in, so you guys can see how someone, his age. He's 14 years old, about 5 feet 5 inches tall, and about 150 pounds, give or take. So it is a great bike. Go ahead and fire it up, son. Sounds pretty decent though. Kind of quiet though. I mean, I'm probably gonna make a couple of mods to this bike just to make it even better for him. I'm gonna go with the aftermarket exhaust, bigger jets. I'm gonna rejet the carb, and probably change the shift lever for something a little bit longer to make it easy for him to shift the gears with his boots on, and maybe wider pegs. But I'm not planning to do anything else. I think this bike is great as it is. Maybe adjust the sag, the suspension, the rear suspension a little bit, because as you can see, it's extremely soft. So go ahead and bounce a little bit, David. Yeah, as you can see, every time he bounces, the bike, it doesn't go all the way down, but I think it's too soft. So we're gonna try to make it a little bit stiffer, so it's gonna be easier for him when going through hoops. And that's it. All right, guys. Well, leave me a comment or a note down below, and I'll try to get to it as quickly as possible. If you guys have any questions, any feedback, or anything that you can put in there that can help me to make this bike, you know, a better bike. You know, I know it's a great bike as it is, but you know, there's always room for improvement, right? All right. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you.